Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to the Forge. Got the fire going again. We're gonna open some packs out of some of these boxes and stuff that we ended up picking up. We got that. Donovan's here this time around.
How's it going, everybody?
Got this little Phantasmal Flames booster set. We have two Trainer's Toolkits. And some EX collection boxes. So I already opened this guy up just to get the sleeves out of it. That's what I was sleeving with. So inside here, got a pack of sleeves. Trainer's Toolkit. This is Deck Builder's Guide. Two more Destined Rivals packed. And two Mega Evolution packs. So, separate these guys. There's also this deck with a Pheasantipity, whatever that Pokemon is.
This comes with little dice and element tokens.
Let me see those. Those are pretty cool. Yeah.
That's for the actual playing game, which I haven't ever done.
No, neither of us have. Some percentile dice if you're into D&D. Still haven't learned how to open these things.
It's alright. Handy dandy knife. Get anything open.
So I assume the other one is probably this exact same deck, but I'd be interested to find out if they're just random cards or the same exact thing. Doubt there's anything worthwhile in here.
It's probably like bulk or something.
It's all just trainer cards. That makes sense. So, guess you guys probably don't care about those. But it's just the Pheasantipity. These ones are kind of cool, I guess. A little bit of holographic. Check those out. Not sure if any of those are really worthy of a sleeve or not. Maybe the Pheasantipity.
They've got a star on them, which I'm not too sure what that means. Pheasantipity is a 2-star, so...
That's kind of cool. Cool art. It's cool. We'll go ahead and crack the other trainer's box open too. See if it's the same cards.
I would assume it is. But never make assumptions. Yeah, looking like the same things. You get the bolt cards with the fair and I can't even say that. Pheasantipity. You get some more dice, some element tokens. Yeah, it's the same 2 Mega Evolution packs and 2 Destined Rivals packs.
They are the same. More sleeves also.
It actually looks like they came with different Destined Rivals packs.
What do you mean different?
Well, they mixed one of them up at least.
They're all the same pack. Oh, you just mean the art on
Yeah,
the
just the art. I don't know if that really means anything.
Hey, maybe we get lucky and get something good out of one of them.
Yeah, maybe. I'll be down for that. Open up these little bolt cards real quick. Get those set
I'd be
aside.
interested to see if they're the exact same thing. Maybe a little different.
Looks about the same, man.
Right here. Looks about the same. 3 of the same exact cards.
Yep.
Interesting.
And then a bunch of trainer cards. Makes sense since it's a toolkit.
I think we will just go ahead and sleeve this guy for now. If I had to guess, it's probably not worth anything. So next we'll open up this. It comes with a cool card and a big card on it, so.
I think they say it's tentacular.
Tentacular.
Yeah.
Whatever that means. Large card, I guess, is what it means.
That's what I would assume.
So here's our tentacular card.
It's actually pretty sick.
It's kind of cool.
I haven't seen one like that
It's
before.
like very, like 3D. You almost need some 3D
yeah,
glasses.
it's even got like the vinyl type of.
2 more Mega Evolution packs. 2 more Destined Rivals packs.
Nice.
How do you get this thing out of here?
Is that just the promotional card?
I figured it out.
Yeah, bear with us as we struggle through opening packages.
It's a promotional rare Mega Kangaskong EX, which is kind of cool. I think that we'll sleeve that too. I don't have TCG Player pulled up, but I definitely will once we start opening up some of these packs. We'll go through and check these cards as well. So that's cool from that one. The last collection box or whatever, premium collection. This is a premium collection. The other one I think was just a regular collection box.
Regular, actually, it's an EX box.
Just a regular EX box, yeah. This is a premium collection Mega Venusaur EX box.
Here, if you want to hand me all the trash, I can
Yeah, we'll get rid of the trash in a minute.
get another tentacular card. Oh, what is that?
This is a pretty cool sticker.
Put that when you get a binder.
Yeah.
Be your first sticker.
Tentacular card. Whoa. Not too shabby.
Yeah, those are pretty cool. I can't even lie.
They're actually pretty sturdy too.
Yeah, it's like fully vinyl.
Mm-hmm. So this one here, we're gonna come. It's actually gonna be 2 Mega Evolution packs. And it looks like we've got 3 Destined Rivals.
Nice.
And one we haven't opened yet. Well, I guess we haven't opened
A lot
Mega
of these.
Evolutions either.
Yeah, we haven't opened a lot of this.
Journey Together. 3 of them. So,
Nice.
that's cool. And Mega Venusaur promo card. At least they make sure it's protected. Pretty cool.
Those little promos are pretty cool. Nice and shiny.
So, just out of the promo cards, well, I guess these Pheasantippities aren't. We've got the Mega Kangaskong, 2 of these Pheasantippities. Here's the other one, and the Mega Venusaur. Those are all sleeved. We'll set those off on the side. We're gonna go. Oh, we actually have one more thing. Are you wanting to do that?
Mm-hmm. So we were actually able to find a Mega Evolution Phantasmal Flame. Just a little booster bundle. Figured we would open that one today too. See what we can pull from it.
Oh, that one's pretty cool.
I did not know that it folded open like that.
Yeah, we've never done any of this, so.
Looks like there is 6 Mega Evolution packs.
But they're Phantasmal Flame.
We'll go ahead and open those today as well.
Hey, we're not really sure what happened. The video cut out, so I guess we opened 2 Destined Rival packs. This is what I pulled. Drop the cards. Just as their aura.
And then for the pack that I got when it cut off on us, Energy, Beldum, Larvitar, Sedaddle. I don't know if I'm even saying that. Nice little Pichu, little cute guy. Team Rocket's Giovanni. I don't know who that is. Spiritomb.
Or Pico. Another Pichu.
And
Ooh, that's cool. Another EX.
yeah, Mega EX.
Take a sleeve, Brian brother. Nice. So there you have it. 1 EX out of 2 packs.
Pretty cool shiny card right there. I like how they do the star, the little detail of the stars on the card.
All right, round 2.
Yeah, what does that
How
mean?
did you do that?
I just pull this. Anybody else that doesn't know, I just kind of, well, I messed with it until it popped open. Yeah, you should just be able to kind of put leverage on the cards itself and just pull the tab and it'll pop right open.
And I'll tell you what's faster. That.
You're not wrong.
If you
Just
can
cut
do
it.
If you can do it, do it. 1 card to the back. Here we go. Basic energy, fighting energy. Pichu, Primeape, Diplin, Trainer card, Nidoking,
I've always liked
Nose
Nidoking.
Pass,
He's been sick.
and a Blaziken. I do think
Nice.
that Blaziken is cool. It's kicking and rocks are busting up everywhere.
Yeah, that's a sick one.
Right now, there's a clear winner and loser, which is unfortunate for my side of the table.
We got us a Gibble. I've always liked Gibble in his evolutions. Couple of trainers. Probass. Haven't seen him in a while. Mimikyu. I do like Mimikyu. Don't know why. He's just super shifty.
Oh,
That's a pretty cool one.
Crobat EX. Nice. Yeah, he's killing it on his packs.
Yeah, I'm winning this one, brother.
I mean, pretty cool. Pretty cool. Alright. Try it again. Maybe I should. I'm giving myself the top pack that I pull off. Maybe I should start giving myself the bottom.
You want this one? Do a little trade.
Ooh. Steel energy. I think that's steel. That or it's normal. Pineco. Clam Pearl. Unfortunate for me.
Here we go for mine. Got that leaf energy. Good little pseudo-wudo dancing in the forest, like always. What does it say? Squovit? I don't even know who that is.
That's kind of a cool card, though.
You got that
And it's like an
little
pyramid.
Nidoran. You got some Rotom. Spiritomb. Pinsir. I do like Pinsir. He's a cool one, too. What is that? Toadstool. I haven't heard of that one either, to be honest
Sorry,
with
our
you
knowledge
guys.
of these Pokemon cards. Some of these Pokemon we have no clue.
Ooh,
Hey!
I do like me some Ho-Oh, too.
OOEX.
That's a pretty cool little trainer card with the detail.
Nice, dude. He's pulling them.
Yeah, I'm pulling all
not.
the EXs, huh?
I am not.
Ethan's Ho-Oh. You're gonna have to look up who that guy is.
Alright. I just like to separate these between their rarities. Not that it matters.
Makes it a little bit more organized,
Alright.
though.
I'm gonna take the bottom one and give him the top one instead. See how that works.
Oh, that one tore open super simple.
Here we go. Electric Energy. Rotom. It's a cool card right there.
Yeah, I do like that Pinsir card. It's just sick looking.
And a Meowth. Ugh. Cats. Oh, I lied. It's a Typhlosion.
Nice.
So that's cool. Well, crap, if you pull something from this, and I gave you the bottom this time.
That's alright. There's only one pack left of this. So I'll just let you have that one. Start off with our water energy. Need a Reno, right? Yeah. There you go. Little Kangaskhan action. Couple of trainers. Yochick.
Milotic.
Milotic, yeah. Yeah.
Cynthia's
That's how you-
Milotic at
That's
that.
how you say that word. Medicham.
And a Greedent.
Hot garbage. That's okay. Look at him, all peaceful in that dang forest.
Already flipped your card over? Go ahead and send that one. You
Nice.
won these. You won the. Oh, you got two rares in that. You got a Zeraora too.
Oh, I didn't even look. Got
So
a
that's
magic
cool.
card. Pichu again. Oh, here you go. Taurus. I like him too. Just a big bowl. That's an interesting art right there.
Ogerpon.
Oh, I was like, who is that?
It's one of the newer Pokemon.
Another Milotic. Zubat.
Sandbag.
Sacred Ash.
Oh.
And... Ooh!
Articuno.
I do like them birdies.
Nice.
So...
Cool.
No EX, nothing crazy on those, but
Yeah.
I like
you
those
were pulling
cards.
You were pulling some fire there. We're gonna move on to the journey together here.